Hi, I'm Paula. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about something people ask me a lot. How do you actually get started with affiliate marketing? And look, I'm going to be upfront with you. There are things I wish someone had told me in the beginning. Things that would have saved me time, saved me money, and saved me a lot of frustration. It's taken me about 1.5 years to learn these lessons, and I'm still learning. 1.5 years of trial and error, and mostly error, if I'm being honest with you. So I thought, why not just save you the 1.5 years and give it to you in the next 12 or 15 minutes. So that's what this video is. 5 things, no fluff, just what I actually wish I'd known. Please, if you're just starting out or even thinking about starting, stick around for all 5. Number 3, especially the one that changed everything for me. Let's get into it. Number 1, picking a niche. Picking a niche, one thing I can say, don't do what I did. It took me 2 months, maybe longer, just to decide. And you know why? Because I thought I had to do exactly what everyone else was doing. I was watching other people in the space and thinking, well, that's the niche, that's what works, so I must do the same. It took me about 2 months. 2 months, month and a half, not quite sure, just to decide. And you know why? Because I thought I had to do exactly what everyone else was doing. I was watching other people in the space and thinking, well, that's the niche, that's what works, so I must do the same. I remember sitting there scrolling, looking at what everyone else was doing, going back and forth, and getting absolutely nowhere. 2 months of just spinning, not creating anything, not posting anything, just watching everyone else and trying to copy it. But that's not it at all. Your niche has to be yours, not a copy of someone else's. The moment I stopped trying to be someone else, that's the moment where I actually started moving. Number 2, takes time. It takes a while until people actually know and trust you. This one is hard to hear when you're starting out because you want it to move fast. But please understand this from the beginning. People are not going to buy from a stranger. They buy from someone they've got to know over time. So don't panic when it's quiet at first. That's normal. Take your time. Number 3. This is a big one. Those shiny objects. This one is big for me. Pay attention here. The shiny objects. Oh, the shiny objects. I went for them, just like thousands of other people do. Every new program, this is the one that will make it easy for you. I thought that was going to be my shortcut. Well, guess what? It wasn't. I can't tell you how many times I saw a new launch, got excited, told myself, this is it, this is the one, and jumped in over and over and over. And every single time it was the same story. New logo, new promises, same result. All it did was leave me out of pocket. That's it. No shortcut, no easy button. Just money spent chasing the next shiny thing, object, whatever you want to call it, instead of focusing on the one thing in front of me. Please learn from this one. Pick something, stick with it. Give it time. It actually needs time before you decide it's not working. Number 4, it's a different skill, but it can be simple. I actually came from the computer industry. So you'd think, well, tech should be easy for you then. No, it wasn't. But this was different. This is not the same as selling computers or setting up a system for someone. But please hear this part. With the right program behind you, it genuinely can be done for you, and it can be simple. You don't need to be technical. You just need the right structure in place. Number 5, last but not least, build an audience. Don't just drop links. Please take this one seriously. You have to have an audience. That's non-negotiable. And whatever you do, do not just keep dropping links everywhere. Just don't. Because people will think you're a scammer. That's it. That's exactly what happens. They block you, they disappear, trust disappears the moment it looks like all you want is a sale. Build your audience first, the relationship first, and the rest will follow. And look, I'll throw in one more for free since you stuck with me this far. Give yourself grace. Please, this is not an overnight thing for anyone. Not for me, not for the big names you see online. If it's taking longer than you thought, that doesn't mean it's not working. It just means you're in the middle of it. So quickly, let's recap. Number 1, pick your niche, not someone else's. Number 2, trust takes time, so don't panic. Number 3, watch out for those shiny objects. Number 4, it's different. It can be simple with the right program. And number 5, build your audience first. Don't just drop links. So there you have it. 5 little things plus a bonus that I wish I knew before I'd started. Even if one of these saved you some time or some money, please do me a favor. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you're not already. It genuinely helps my channel grow. And if you want to go any deeper on any of this, comment freedom below, and I will personally send you my freedom check guide. Just pop that in the comments and I'll message you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.